Welcome to my study channel. Friends, our today's topic is Computer Awareness MCQs 100% repeated in previous exams. So, this is third part of 551 objective question series. Friends, these questions are useful for all competitive exams. So, without wasting time, let's start from question number 1. Question number 1 is dash is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors. Dash is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors. Here the answer is formatting. Formatting is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors. Question number 2 is saving is the process of dash. Saving is the process of copying a document from memory to a storage medium. Here, copying a document from memory to storage medium is the right answer. Question number 3 is the term dash refers to data storage systems that make it possible for a computer or electronic device to store and retrieve data. Here, answer is storage technology. The term storage technology refers to data storage system that make it possible for the computer or electronic device to store and retrieve data. Storage technology is the right answer. Question number 4 is dash is the maximum amount of data that can be stored on a storage medium. Dash is the maximum data, that is storage capacity. Storage capacity is the maximum amount of data that can be stored on a storage medium. Question number 5 is when you save to dash, your data will remain intact even when the computer is turned off. Friends, guess the answer. When you save to dash, your data will remain intact with when the computer is turned off. So here answer is secondary storage device. When you save to secondary storage device, your data will remain intact even when the computer is turned off. Next question is a CD RW, that is rewritable disk dash can be erased and rewritten. So a CD RW disk dash यहाँ पे आएगा can be erased and rewritten, द्वारा उसमें लिखा जा सकता है, द्वारा भरा जा सकता है उसको. Which device can understand differences between data and programs, that is microprocessor. ठीक है, microprocessor can understand difference between data and programs. A DVD is example of a, or you can say an dash. Answer is optical disc. A DVD is example of an optical disc. यहाँ पे optical disc is the right answer. Question number 9 is DVD is dash, that digital versatile disc. इसकी full form है digital versatile disc. Question number 10 is the file system resides permanently on dash storage. The file system resides permanently on dash storage, that is secondary storage. So here secondary is the right answer. Question number 11 is which of the following memory chips is faster? SPRAM. ठीक है, जो मेमोरी चिप जो है फास्टर होती है उसमें जो है SPRAM is the right option. Question number 12, what type of device is a 3.5 inch floppy drive? कौन सी जो है टाइप है किसकी? What type of, कौन सी डिवाइस ऐसी होती है जो 3.5 होती है फ्लॉपी ड्राइव के? तो दिस इज स्टोरेज. ठीक है, आंसर इज स्टोरेज. This is a permanent storage device. Here, hard disk is a permanent storage device. Friends, अगर ये जो आंसर्स हैं और क्वेश्चन है ये आप 2-3 बार पढ़ लोगे तो So I think it is easy for you to tick the right option in your exam. So जो permanent storage device है वो कौन सी होती है? हार्ड डिस्क. What does RAM stands for? Random access memory. Question number 15 is storage and memory differs with respect to which of the following characteristics? Friends, here the right answer is price, reliability or speed. In case you found all three options in your exam, you have to tick all of the above. But in case you found only one option there, then you have to tick that option. So here price, reality and speed is the right answer. PC stands for, friends, PC stands for personal computer. Question number 17 is in motherboard information between components travel by. In motherboard information between components. In motherboard information between components travel by. जो information होती है components के मध्य, ठीक है, वो कैसे ट्रैवल करती है, उसके बीच में जो होती है इंफॉर्मेशन वो कैसे ट्रैवल करती है मदरबोर्ड में? बस, BUS. उसके बारे में बस इज द राइट आंसर. अच्छा, उसके बारे में आता है मेन सर्किट बोर्ड ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर इज कॉल्ड. जो मेन सर्किट होता है बोर्ड ऑफ कंप्यूटर इज कॉल्ड मदरबोर्ड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 इज व्हिच पार्ट ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर हेल्प्स स्टोरेज इंफॉर्मेशन, दैट इज डिस्क ड्राइव. व्हिच पार्ट ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर हेल्प्स स्टोरेज इंफॉर्मेशन, that is disk drive. Meaning of IBM, most important question, that is International Business Machine. Friends, today we have completed 20 questions. These questions seems to be unimportant, but friends, I want to say that these questions are most important because these questions have been repeated 2 or 3 times in the banking, NDA, you can say UPSC and all competitive exams. So friends, focus on these questions and try to repeat these questions 2 or 3 times. So thanks for watching this video friends. Prepare well, perform well. Please friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all latest videos. Friends, बहुत मेहनत लगती है वीडियोस को बनाने में, तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लीजिए ताकि आपको समय पे जो है जो भी वीडियो मैं बनाऊँ सबसे पहले आपको मिले. So thanks friends, bye bye.